Say morning, Faith. You guys, it's back to being on the road. It's back to school for Sarah. So Sarah and I at the bus stop, waiting for the bus to head to town. Hi, Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. It's a brand new day here, and today Sarah is heading back to transition school. So it's the first day. She'll be going today, tomorrow, and one more day in the week. So wish us luck, and let's see how today will go. You ready to go to school? No crying at school. Good girl. No crying. We're waiting on the bus, right? She's shaking, she cold. Anyway, you guys, we're here waiting on the bus. So we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. The boys are home. Tyler is going on the road with Papa today, and I'm going on the road with Sarah. So we'll catch you guys later. Guys, okay, so fingers crossed. I dropped off my girl. Should go pick her up about 11:30. So hopefully she'll stay. She was happy, she told me, but that is Sarah always. Happy when she reach, and then after a while she don't want to anymore. But I'll give you guys an update on how today goes. So right now I am heading to handle some business. I'm close by Sarah though, like about 10 minutes away. So I'm heading there to get this over with before I got a call to come and get her. So wish me luck. And I'll see you guys. It's a bit chilly this morning, more chilly than I expected it to be, but anyway, I'm out here in these streets. Hopefully you guys are staying warm wherever you are and having a good day. So guys, look what I just found. I'm in utter shock. Am I chicken pot? Yes! Oh my gosh, and tilapia. Look how beautiful they are. This is tilapia, and this is, what's this one? I don't know the name of this one, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I found chicken foot. I'm definitely buying this. I'm definitely buying this. I'm looking plantain chips, but they only have the spicy one, so the kids definitely can't eat that. But I take one for myself. I'm actually in a Chinese store. This store is so good. You guys, look at this peanut cake though. I'm definitely taking it. Yes. So this peanut cake here, they have a lot of coconut things.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Non, maman, vous avez ça en salé?
Oui, là en ce moment, on
Oh, dommage.
Oui, en ce moment,
Ah.
je pense.
Alors, j'ai cherché ça depuis 5 ans et finalement,
Oui.
oui.
C'est des pâtes de poulet, hein?
Ouais.
Oui.
Bah, je suis jamaïcaine, on mange beaucoup ça.
Ah, bah oui. Voilà.
Merci
Merci à vous. Vous avez besoin de sac?
Oui,
hein?
merci. Je fais pas 4?
Oui, oui. Au revoir, vous aussi.
Oh my god, you guys, can you guys believe that I find chicken foot? I just want to jump and scream. I've been searching for chicken foot since forever, and I don't know why I haven't thought about looking in the Chinese store. Funny enough, I always go to this Chinese store right here to buy plantain chips, and I never took time to look properly what's in the store. So since I had time this morning, I said, you know what, let me take some time and search this store. And luckily enough, it was right there. I'm like, and the fishes in there are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, I got a few things in the Chinese store, and right now I don't even think I'm going to bother go to the library, because the library, I went there and the library don't open until 10 o'clock, and it's 10 o'clock right now. But I'm going to go back to Sarah, close to Sarah's school, get something to eat and just relax a bit, and then I head back home. So yeah, winning day. Can I just dance for a minute? Hey, hey, hey. Spirit dance, spirit dance. You guys, you know why I'm dancing? Guess. Tell me why I'm dancing. We have so much to celebrate today. You guys know I get excited over simple things. First, let me tell you good news. I find chicken foot in France. Can you believe it? After how many years? 6 years, almost 7 years, I find chicken foot in France. You guys, may find chicken foot, a whole bag of chicken foot. So now your girl know where to go to stock up on chicken. Listen, the little things that makes me happy, the little things that makes me happy. So the Chinese store have chicken foot, so I'm happy. The next thing that makes me super happy is your baby girl stayed at school her entire session without crying. You heard it right. You want me to say it again? Sarah stayed at school the entire time until I pick her up without shedding a tear. Glory be to God. It's happening. It's going down. So that's all the glory to Almighty God. I'm celebrating my small wins today. I'm celebrating my big wins. I'm celebrating every single win. So today is a good day. It's also a good day. Thailand baby's out on a date. The babe had to carry the car to for inspection, so he made that date with him and Tyler. They out having lunch and having their boys dance. So they had date 2 days in a row, because they went to the movies yesterday and then today they got on a lunch date. So that's super awesome. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm gonna put my chicken foot in my freezer and I'm gonna make some lunch. Sarah is down for her nap because it's her nap time. Oh, and I find peanut cake too in the Chinese store. How many wins can a girl get in one day? I take all of them. All of them. All of them. Hey, all of them. Hey, hey, hey. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna stop my antics. I'm gonna go put up my chicken foot. I'm so looking forward to bake chicken foot soup or stew peas with chicken foot and give it to Tyler and to see Delaveaus, because babe, I think babe have tasted chicken foot one time and he don't like it. He hate chicken foot and he hate cow foot, but I'll let him taste it on camera this time around for you guys. just to get his amazing reaction whenever that time comes when I cook it. Anyway, you guys, I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. So hopefully you guys are having some good wins today. It doesn't really matter what the win is. Small wins, big wins, celebrate them. Anyway, you guys, me hungry. Some y'all gonna look some lunch. The boss getting it in. Head up.
I am the second boss. I am the junior boss.
Okay, junior boss. She want popcorn helper. How's it going down there? Awesome. It's getting hard. Power through. That's okay. Reach at least 30 minutes. How long you are?
26.
You're almost 26. Wow. Come on. You're almost there. That's easy. That's butter. No? I was about to say you had about 15. 26 already? Cool. You're doing good. Hi. So what one?
What one are you?
Sarah, say hello, faves. Sarah, say hello, faves. Hey, say hello. Sarah, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, stay.
I didn't say hello to this all day.
Yeah, because you weren't here. And I weren't here. I was not here. You were not here.
And also I was sleeping all morning.
No. You were sleeping when I left.
Yes.
And then you and Papa went on the road when I got back. Yeah. You had fun with Papa?
Yes,
Finally.
I couldn't saw Sarah. The first time I saw Sarah today.
She was excited when she see you.
Now when I had the crazy face. Did she say tie when she wake up?
She was ready to go to school. She woke up, had her milk and left, so she didn't have much time. But you saw when she wake up, she was missing you. From her nap. She was happy when she saw you. They love each other, you see. Look at her. Sarah, look at this here. Best believe that this was flat and that elastic was at the end. But yeah. That's the end result of Sarah here. For everybody who is always telling me to comb Sarah here cannot last with styles. It will last for a few hours, but that's it. I'll give it 3 hours max, if so much. And the elastic have to stay intact. If the elastic bursts or most time it slide out, it just can't keep style at all. So most times our hair comb, but it just go away after a while. So it all depends on how the camera catch her within what moment. But Sarah here cannot keep styles. So don't think I don't comb my child's hair. It just can't keep style. It's dinner time around here and I have so much things for dinner that everybody's having a little bit of everything tonight. So Tyler is having rice, veggies, chicken, samosa, nem, and Sarah is having a mix of everything. Figure out what's in Sarah's plate. Look, I have all these leftovers that I don't want to spoil, but I did went ahead and make some veggies because I didn't have much veggies, and I also throw some chicken in the oven so that we have enough protein, because I have some protein that I didn't like. So yeah, so that's dinner for today. I know you guys love seeing dinner, the dinner segment, so that's din for the fam bam. Baby's still on the biking, so we're gonna go ahead and eat without them. Well, he smelled the stench under his nose. He's doing good though. Look at babe. Baby's at 51 minutes. Riding at
18.
what is he riding at? At 18. Go on with yourself, babe. Over 1,000 calories. Go on with yourself. Looking fine though. What's me? Dinner for the boss and I, babe, and me. After all that working out. Baby's definitely gonna enjoy this. Let's go, dinner.
Les chaussettes. C'est quoi ça? Chaussettes. La chemise. C'est quoi ça? Chaussette. Non, la chemise. C'est quoi ça? Chemise. La robe. C'est quoi ça?
Touch on what is actually robe, not the word.
C'est où? Jacket. Manteau. C'est quoi ça? Manteau. Veste. C'est quoi ça? Veste. C'est quoi ça? Attends. La bicyclette. C'est quoi ça? Bicyclette. C'est quoi la casse?
She hit in the eye. She gone with her own boy. No playing in the kitchen, you know that, right? She's so funny. Oh my.
Attrapons le méga cadeau. Attrapons le cadeau. Si on
Look
a,
at them, look at them.
on a le cadeau. On va te tuer. Piou, piou. Ah, piou.
They're too funny. Look at this energy before bed. 10 minutes before bed. Look at them. One is all dressed. The other one needs to go get dressed. Look at them. Jesus have mercy. They have to sleep good tonight, you know. Oh my God. Ring a Rosie to your room. Go, let's go. Get fresh for bed.
Hi guys,
We're coming on to end today's vlog.
coming to end today's vlog.
I'm falling asleep.
She had a long day.
Tired.
She had a long day, but she had a very productive day. When you have a long day and productive day,
Winning day.
that's
I'll
fine.
take all my wins over everything.
And tomorrow will be a productive and winning day too, right?
We're declaring it, speaking it into existence.
Same thing for me. I did what I wanted to do, and I bring the car to the garage. There's something in France. Every 2 years, you have to bring your car to a control, like a technical control, that they check everything's on your car to make sure that it's right. If it's not right, zoop, you have to go to the garage to fix it. Otherwise, you can't drive. You're not allowed to drive on the street if your car don't pass the control. It's avoid to have garbage car. So I did the test today, and my baby passed the test. So hopefully it's the last time I do that. Mission is to change car within 2 years.
Winning. And our little baby girl, the biggest win of the day, stayed in school the entire time without crying. Oh, I forget to tell you guys that the minute she saw me, she started getting a little bit emotional. She ran and hugged me and started crying and say, I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. And all the principals start laughing. I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama.
She started to have so much sense. When she was here looking for toys, she was looking for specific toys. I showed her one, she said,
No.
She looked, no.
She know what she wants.
When you give her something, she said, no.
And when you ask her if that's what she wants, she say yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
that started to be cool. That started to be cool. Be able to start to play a lot of things with her, and yeah,
Mm-hmm.
she have good memory.
She does just like Tyler. Just like that. We have two nice kids, huh? You want the next one?
No.
I can't breathe. I was joking.
Well, you have my answer.
I think you know
If it was
that
a
too.
if it was a test, that was you have my answer.
No, come so fast is a good thing we're on the same page. Anyway, you guys, that would break my heart if I wasn't on the same page with you. How the no come fast. But quite frankly, we're on the same page. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, catch me and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Some more winning.
Bye.